Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to delete a business page on Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. As you can see, here's my Facebook business page, and right now I'm gonna delete this Facebook page. So for that, after opening the actual business page, scroll down to the left hand side and then click on settings and scroll down to the bottom. Then you will find this option, remove page. Click on it and click on permanently delete the gadgets review. Click on it, and once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. Are you sure you want to delete? If you really want to delete your page, then click on delete, and here you can see delete page permanently. And if I go back to my Facebook and if I click on my pages, and here we can see here is no page available with the name of gadgets review because of I deleted the page. This is how we can delete a Facebook business page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.